Can you share a risk you think most companies are quietly ignoring right now?
Well, right now, if there is a major military escalation in the Middle East, I
Hmm.
think we would be in a bad shape for shipping, sea and air, also for traveling, because this is really the region that now connects Europe with Asia. And if you see how much airspace is already blocked for European airlines and for Russian airlines, for reasons that we all know. If you add to that maybe the airspace over Iran and the whole Gulf and so on would be blocked, I think then we would be in a major trouble. The same as with the Strait of Hormuz, and this is something that could happen short term. Of course,
Mm,
I can't make any statement on how probable this is, but it's certainly possible.
yeah, that's a great point. And how much pressure does that put on the supply chain? What would be the reroute at that point?
Yeah, I think a sea freight is probably easier, but I think air freight could get into real trouble. You would certainly need to rely on airlines, much more on Asian airlines that do not have the restrictions that European airlines have to cross the Russian airspace. For sea freight, I think you would have to go routes much farther around the Middle East, which would add a lot of extra mileage.